How to record data using Movesense sensor and app. This is the first part of a series, where we collect data with Movesense sensor and analyze the results in Power BI. To replicate this part of the exercise you need following: a Movesense sensor, Movesense Showcase mobile app, Sunto Sports mobile app or similar. Movesense sensor measures acceleration, orientation, angular velocity, heart rate and more. It is used, for example, in sports applications. In this exercise we use Movesense Showcase mobile app to collect data from the sensor. To collect sample data, I took the same walk on 3 consecutive days. I recorded 1, the route, speed, duration and distance with Sunto Sports app, and 2, the linear velocity with Movesense app and sensor. Let's take a look at the setup. Install, if not done already, and start the Sports app and the Movesense Showcase app. Turn on the sensor by pressing the center. A red light will shortly flash on the top of the sensor when it's powered on. The Movesense sensor is connected via Bluetooth. When the sensor is powered on, it is recognized and listed in the Sensors tab in the Movesense Showcase app. If the sensor is not visible, try to move it around or press the center again to make sure the power is on. Select linear acceleration from the dashboard and go to Record tab. The recording is done by pressing Start in the beginning and Stop in the end of the recording. The data is saved in JSON format. You can find it under the Recordings tab. To transfer recorded data to another device, such as laptop, select the recording you want to transfer and click on the Share button. You are provided with different options to send the file, for example as email attachment. In the following parts of the exercise, in coming videos, we will compare the data from Movesense sensor to the data from a sports app. Each walk is recorded simultaneously using both to create comparable results. To record the route, distance, time and average speed, please follow instructions specific to the app you are using. Sunto Sports app is used in the examples given in these videos. The next video will show how to import the recorded data into Power BI for analyzing. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Do you need help to get started? For more information and inquiries, please find contact information in the About section.